I always thought about what we didn't know more than what we knew. And, after all, in science, that's what we're supposed to do, is challenge dogma.
Dr. Jeffery W. Kelly discovered the first effective drug to treat transthyretin amyloidosis, a life-threatening disease that occurs when a healthy protein becomes unstable, falls apart, and forms harmful clumps in the body. Dr. Kelly uncovered how this degenerative process advances and developed a drug that stabilizes proteins, preventing them from breaking down and causing harm to the heart and nervous system. His breakthroughs have been shown to slow disease progression, transforming care for patients and opening new possibilities for treating neurodegenerative disorders.
The first time I met a patient, everything changed. Dementia in particular, which is one manifestation of having an amyloid disease, it was just so clear that my problems are minuscule compared to theirs. And it gives me great pride that we can extend their lifespan and give them a little bit longer of quality time with their family. And I hope in a decade we can start to think about prevention as the main strategy. Up until I entered college, I didn't see myself as being a professional scientist. It is still today pretty hard to make discoveries in chemistry because it's a pretty mature field, but biology is completely wide open, and that was really exciting to me.